Alright, welcome to our very first flip video. Today we're going to be talking about CASL, and these are the main points that I want you to think about when you're doing your flipped lessons at home. So you're going to be looking at a series of videos or activities at home instead of doing paper and pen work at home, and we're going to do the activities in class. So the first thing I want you to do is put away your cell phones. If your cell phone is out on your desk or beside you, you're going to get distracted. And if you're distracted, you're not probably going to take good notes. Next, I need you to be attentive. I need you to pay attention to what's going on your screen. I need you to close Facebook, any messengers, and I want you to pay attention to the work that is being presented to you. Next, I need you to sit at a desk. And you may think that this is a silly thing, but you need to be at a desk because if you're not at a desk, you're not going to be able to take proper notes. It's really important that you have a space that you can actively take notes during this process. The next one is take notes. Now, taking notes doesn't have to take its normal format of writing down information down on your page. You can organize your notes in any fashion that's best suited for you. So here's an example of a mind map of someone that's used a central idea and broken off ideas from it. Finally, for L, I'd like you to do a lesson summary. So for this to happen, I need you to summarize what the lesson has just told you. I need you to write me 2 to 3 sentences summarizing the information that you have just recorded yourself. The reason being is if you're able to summarize the information, you probably understood the lesson. If you're unable to summarize the information, then maybe it's time to go and enjoy the video once again. The great thing about flip videos is you'll be able to pause, rewind, and replay. So if you don't understand, or you really like today's lesson, you can stop and play it again. Now, before we finalize our lesson for today, I just want to talk about task sheets. Task is spelled a little bit different here. You can see that it's spelled with a Q instead of a K. While you're listening and watching the videos, I want you to take notes. I want you to summarize the main parts of the lesson, and then I want you to write me down a question. Now, some people say when they listen to the flip videos, I don't have any questions. I understand everything. Well, if you don't have a question about the lesson, I'd like you to write down a question that you might think I might ask you about it.